Right, after what, 3 years of doing a bit of a restoration on the Rexy, I finally got it registered. And now what the problem is, I turn the car on, the immobiliser will come on, and you can't turn off with the fob. It goes off about 30 seconds, and then it you're right for 15-20 k's, and then it'll just turn on again. Right, this is the reason why I'm putting the mongoose system in it. Doesn't matter how I try it, none of this fob just doesn't work. You know, here I am, I've shut the door. Yeah, so that's what it does. That's the reason why I'm getting rid of it. You'll be driving along the road and it just goes off. Hazard lights come on, and it's pretty embarrassing actually. People just don't know what you're doing. Hey Josh, this is Josh from Nuclear. Tell us about yourself, mate. How long have you guys been in business?
I've been doing this for quite a while. Nuclear's been up running for 12 months now, out on the road since April, so.
Hey, very good. I came across you guys on Facebook, which was I was quite happy about, because not many people take immobilisers out.
No.
See, mate, there's a fair bit of crap there. It's been cable tied up.
Yeah, very much so. Command autopilot. Oh, that's interesting. Should be mounted a certain way. It was just hanging back there somewhere.
Oh, handy. Righto.
Yeah, I think this might even be the factory sort of Subaru doobie that they might have put in.
Okay.
All those years ago.
That was part of that old system.
Old system?
Yep. I actually thought he took it out, but he didn't. He's obviously taken out something.
Taken out, yeah, some of the stuff.
And just push that back in.
Door lock. There's a lot of extra stuff in here though, so it's a bit harder to work out, but
And that looks a bit dodgy, doesn't it? That body white connection, look at that.
Yeah, I was about to say this one here. Holding on by a thread.
Yeah. This is why we get car fires.
Very much so. Very much so.
What's that, bit of a relay, is it?
Yeah, but wish I did that before.
What's that, pull it apart?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
What we don't want to do is put red, which is usually positive, to a black wire, which is
Oh.
usually negative.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So let's redo that. Hopefully I haven't.
Wow. How light is that wire too? She's only like speaker wire.
Yeah, speaker wire on that. It's not too bad, but it's something that we can definitely upgrade. That's for sure.
So what is that? That's the relay off that lift.
Off the lift kit. So.
Oh God. Right. Go for it.
So sometimes the hard part is to make sense of what's already been done. Just to cut it all out, put it back to normal, and then redo it. Yeah, this one here's been rejoined.
Yeah.
At some point.
So there's.
And then it was also separated here, which we'll rejoin as well. So same wire, cut at two separate points.
Okay, and what do you think? It's just been an add-on on an add-on, was it?
Yeah, I would suspect so. So that last one that got removed might have been this one.
Okay.
It's been rejoined, and then that one we're removing today.
Right.
Is that
That's
one?
where
by
he's
the look of
obviously
it.
cut in the last auto leak I had.
Yeah, the last one's been here, or there. Oh yeah, that one hasn't been rejoined. So that one's, but this would have been the first one that's been done, I'd say, which has got to do with all the other stuff, which is a lot more involved than just a little alarm by the look of it.
And stuff.
And
no.
yeah, window lift kits were. I remember used to having one of them back in the day.
What's that?
Window lift kits. So when you lock it,
Oh,
windows
right.
go up. They don't go down. They just go up.
No, they just can't. They go up.
Yeah,
when you
so
lock
when you lock it,
yeah.
it goes up. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
it.
they were pretty sought after things back in the day. I haven't seen them for a long time, but they were before my time of installations. I got them put in when I was working
And which
the industry.
module's that one, mate?
I think that's these two
Is that
here.
one there, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Potentially, it's hard to tell
Yeah.
what they are, but for having two of the same module, yeah. Left motor, right motor, window wire. Yeah, so that's our
The lift kit.
lift kit for both sides,
Righto.
because you can get one will do two windows and the other one will do the other two.
Alright.
So we'll try and
savour
try and
those.
savour that if we can. I'll have to have a look and see if our new module can be worked in with that.
So why have you on the Mongoose, mate? They just pretty reliable system, are they?
Yeah, been around for a very long time, reliable, and they've been helping us out since we started. So
Okay.
they known the guys there for a fair while as well.
So where are they? Where are they from? Mongoose?
Sydney. Well,
Oh.
I think they've got an office in Sydney and Queensland somewhere.
Okay, they're Australian.
Yeah,
company.
Australian
right, I
stuff
didn't
they
know
get.
that. Okay.
They get some. Not sure if their products are built here, but they've if you need some support there, you get someone on the phone in Australia that's ready to help. So I can ring him today and have some parts tomorrow. Not sure. I think
So that wiring loom goes to there.
Yeah.
Must be cut. What is that? Is that an antenna?
Yeah, it must be some sort of antenna. I want to say.
That wouldn't be a tracker or anything, would it?
Oh, that's heavy. Got a lead acid battery. Nice and handy, just floating in your car.
Yeah, right. Didn't know that was there. I haven't pulled this part of the car apart.
That must be little battery backup to keep this module going. Oh, really? Yeah, for this to be done like this, it's not bagging anyone, because my job's not perfect all the time. But to have it loomed like this is definitely a factory loom job.
Okay.
I just don't think it's. But then the amount of added extras has gone in over there, it just made it more of a mess than it had to be. And I think at one point that would have been a nice little thing done, but that's a little extra.
So she's out.
That's that. Let's get rid of that.
Goodness me. So this thing's actually had like 3 alarms actually were in it.
Yeah.
So I have had one taken out. So you're saying this is a factory?
I reckon it probably would be, yeah, at some point, like maybe a factory upgrade, or one of those aftermarket accessories put in by the factory.
Okay.
So not necessarily a factory one, but an aftermarket add-on at the dealership,
Right.
maybe.
So then someone's going to put one over the top of that,
Yeah.
and then later on someone's going to put a magic wand over the top of that.
Yeah, no wonder you couldn't
They,
start.
yeah, that's right. I did have issues with it when I first got it, and yeah, and that bad boy just hasn't worked since I put the car together last.
Yeah, so maybe that's.
Is that key? You think was that a factory key?
That no, I think that'll be an aftermarket one.
Okay, because I've got a
Maybe.
factory key inside. That had nothing to do with the
No,
alarm. Okay.
like sometimes these do have transponders in them.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if this year model does, but that's what that'll be the factory transponder. So fingers crossed what we're trying to remove here has got nothing to do with that. But let's that should. Right, let's try this. With that removed now, let's turn this guy back up.
This bigger job than what you thought?
Yes and no. Like I was expecting to remove some stuff.
Well, removing it certainly didn't hurt it.
No lights on the dash, which is good. Door open, handbrake up, no seatbelt, that's normal.
Well, it hasn't been working anyway because of that. Oh, that battery's actually split.
Oh really?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, she's a split.
Yeah, wow.
So she's actually bled out acid at some stage then.
Well, that's not good for your
Look at
car,
that.
is it?
Righto, I just rang Quick Track up and had a chat to them about this unit. This unit is pre-cellular. This is FM and GPS apparently.
Yeah, wow.
Back then they couldn't turn the car off and on, but it's just, this is purely a tracker. And they phased this out years ago. This hasn't actually been up and running for years, this system. So yeah, it had to come out anyway. There you go.
There we go.
What do you reckon of that bit of info, mate?
That's interesting.
It is interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, no, it was something else in the day, but not so much now.
Maybe that might be a better option.
So that loom's going back to the lift.
Yeah, the lift.
kit.
So if we start here and eliminate the ones that are coming into it rather than going out, that might be a quick way to decipher what we need to remove and what we can stay in and hopefully retain the window lift.
Well, at least you've got a plan now, as before you just try to work the spider web out.
Yeah.
Oh,
So now we've got the huge loom of factoriness out. But in saying that, I wouldn't have thought that'd be factory lift kit either, so
you think that might be a factory too?
no, I wouldn't have thought so, but maybe that what we've pulled out isn't factory, it's just a big crazy alarm back in the day, which was a bit before my time. And these other two, I would suspect door locks.
Okay. Yep.
So
That makes
those
sense.
two there.
And then you got the electrical for the window, the mirrors.
Oh, so the mirrors too. Yeah,
Yeah.
so half would be almost ready to start putting stuff in, hopefully.
Yeah, sweet. Well, I'll just do a run around. I'll have a look and see what you pulled out. Right, there's part of it. And there's the other part there. So there was a bit that came out. Okay, so it's definitely aftermarket then. That's not Subaru at all.
It's been aftermarket one, whether it was one of the options from the dealership or not.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't think I've ever seen one like that.
That's an interesting trick. Yeah, right.
Saves you cutting out all of them.
Yeah, just to do the test. Okay.
Lights up when you need to. Okay.
Yeah, right. So now, after pulling the thing to pieces like you have, you've cleaned the wiring up. With your honest opinion, we won't put that keyless entry in now, will we?
No, we'll go with a different system that will give us access to activate your window lift, to keep all that going for you.
And the doors to
And
open
the doors
and lock.
to open and lock, and windows to go up when you get out. So
Sweet. Okay. Well, that's what we'll do.
a much better idea, I think, instead of not using what you've got.
Yep. Okay. Well, that I must admit that does look a whole lot neater. Okay.
And then actually, let me redo this for you.
So
Which
we'll continue on when you come back in next week, or whenever you're coming back, to put the full immobilizer in, because we're not going to do that switch anymore.
No, we'll get rid of that and we'll do the immobilizer, which has got the ability to activate this lift kit for us.
Okay, that's it, done.